In this video, I will show you how to turn a website full of vehicle listings into something you can actually work with using Minexa.ai's powerful scraping tool. First, open the carttrade.com page where the vehicle listings are already visible. From here, click the Minexa.ai extension icon, and it gets straight to work on scraping vehicle listings. With Minexa.ai open, hit the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page" to start automatic analysis of these vehicle listings. The analysis is complete. Minexa.ai knows exactly where the vehicle data is on this page. Choose whether you want to extract just the list or the full detail page for each vehicle listing. If no extra clicks or inputs are required before results appear, simply hit Continue to proceed. Minexa.ai found and highlighted the vehicle listings container. Hit Create Scraper and it learns what data to extract automatically. Minexa.ai has now identified every relevant field for vehicle listings, including hidden fields like price, model, year, and more, ensuring complete and precise data extraction. If you write code, click the API request button to get code that handles rendering, proxy rotation, and retries automatically. Finalize your setup by clicking Complete Configuration to confirm the scraper settings. The navigation is detected and ready, so every run will automatically go through all pages without extra setup. Almost done. The scraper is ready. You can add a schedule or link to Google Sheets if you want automated updates. Just hit Run, and Minexa.ai manages everything from loading pages to extracting data. Each field always comes from the right place because the scraper depends on fixed page positions, avoiding errors common with AI interpretation. Typical data points like vehicle model, price, year, and mileage are extracted cleanly and consistently, ensuring reliable results every time. Review the extracted data rows now displayed. Minexa.ai captures key details like vehicle make, model, year, price, and location directly from the listings. This ensures you have accurate, structured data ready for analysis without manual copying or errors. Hit Export and save your full dataset to your computer for immediate use in Excel or other tools. Whatever data you see on a website, Minexa.ai can extract it without token costs or hallucinations, and without needing to maintain a scraping stack.